हेलो गाइस, आप लोग कैसे हो। मैं अजीत प्रताप यादव आप लोगों के लिए नई वीडियो लेके आ गया। आज इस वीडियो में डिस्कस करेंगे क्लास 6 का चैप्टर 3 माइंडफुल ईटिंग द पाथ ऑफ हेल्दी बॉडीज। तो गाइस, हैप्पी मैरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आइदर यू कैन से मैरी क्रिसमस, हैप्पी मैरी क्रिसमस कहना ठीक नहीं होगा, तो मैरी क्रिसमस टू ऑल ऑफ यू माय व्यूअर्स। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट चैप्टर 6 माइंडफुल ईटिंग अ पाथ ऑफ अ पाथ टू अ हेल्दी बॉडी। आप अपनी एक बॉडी को हेल्दी कैसे बना सकते हैं और माइंडफुल ईटिंग क्या है, इस चैप्टर को अगर आप इस वीडियो में 20 मिनट तक बने रहे तो आप ये सारा चैप्टर सीख जाएंगे। तो लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो दिस वीडियो आर डिवाइडेड इनटू 4 sections in each section we have taken the 25 question in all the four section. The after completing all these section you get 100 question, which is important for your study and your for your life. So let's start section 1, the basic food and nutrition. The first section is the basic food and nutrition में हम डिस्कस करेंगे व्हाट इज फूड। फूड इज एनी सब्सटेंस दैट लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म यूज टू गेट एनर्जी एंड न्यूट्रिएंट फॉर ग्रोथ and health. What is food? Food is any healthy substance that living organism eat to get energy and nutrient for growth and health. Why do we need foods? We need food for energy, growth, repair of bodies, tissues, and to protect ourselves from disease. Now, question number 3: what are nutrients? Nutrients are the component in food that our body uses to function properly. Question number 4: name the main types of nutrients. Carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and dietary fibers are the main types of nutrients. Question number 5: what is the main function of carbohydrate? To provide energy to the body. Now, question number 6: give two example of carbohydrate rich food. Rice, wheat, bread, potatoes are the rich source of carbohydrate. Question number 7: what is the main function of protein? For growth and repair of body tissues. Question number 8: give two example of protein-rich food. Eggs, milk, beans, fish, chicken. Question number 9: what is the main function of fats? To provide a stored source of energy and to keep the body warm. Now question number 10: give two example of food containing fats, butter, oil, nuts, and cheese. Question number 11: what are vitamins? Vitamins are essential nutrients that our body needs in a small amount to work properly and fight disease. Question number 12: name a vitamins important for good eyesight. Vitamin A. Question number 13: name the vitamin important for healthy bones and teeth. Vitamin D. Question number 14: which vitamin help in healthy wounds and fighting infection? Vitamin C. Question number 15: what are minerals? Minerals are elements that our body needs to develop and function normally. Question number 16: name a mineral needed for strong bone and teeth. Calcium. Question number 17: name a mineral that is a part of hemoglobin in our blood. Iron. Question number 18: why is water important for our body? It helps to digest food, remove waste, and regulate body temperature. Question number 19: what is dietary fiber or roughage? The indigestible part of plant foods that help in the smooth movement of body in the food in the digestive system. What is dietary fibers or roughage? The indigestible part of plant food that help in the smooth movement of food in the digestion. Question number 20: why is fiber important? It prevents constipation, help in moving waste from our body. Question number 21: what is balanced diet? A diet that contains all the essential nutrients in right proportion is called balanced diet. Question number 22: why is balanced diet important? It ensures proper growth, provide energy, and keep us healthy. Now, question number 23: what is the energy giving food? Food is rich in carbohydrate and fats are called energy giving foods. Question number 24: what is our bodybuilding food? Food rich in protein is are called bodybuilding food. Question number 25: what are protective foods? Food rich in vitamins and minerals like fruits and vegetables is called protective food. Question number. Now move to section 2, the concept of mindful eating. In this section, I will discuss 25 questions. Question number 26. What is the mindful eating? Mindful eating means paying full attention to the experience of eating and drinking, both inside and outside the body. Question number 27. What is the opposite of mindful eating? Mindless eating, like eating while watching TV or when not actually hungry. Question number 20. Why should we eat slowly? It gives our brain time to realize that our stomach is full, which help prevent overeating. Why should we eat slowly? It gives our brain time to realize that our stomach is full, which help prevent overeating. Question number 29. How can you practice mindful eating? By eating without distraction, chewing food properly, and noticing the taste, smell, and texture of the food. What are hunger cues? The natural signal our body send to tell us it needs food, like a growling stomach. Question number 31. What are the fullness cues? The signal our body send to tell us we have had enough to eat, like feeling satisfied. Question number 32. Why is it important to listen to our body hunger and fullness cues? To eat the right amount of food our body needs, not too much or too little. What is force? What is a portion of portion control? Choosing to eat a healthy amount of food is called portion of control. Question number 34. Why is portion control important? It helps maintain a healthy weight and prevent overeating. Question number 35. How can you identify real hunger? When your stomach feels empty and you have a genuine desire for food, not just a carving. Question number 32. What is emotional eating? Eating in response to feeling like stress, sadness, or boredom rather than hunger. Question number 30. Why is emotional eating not good? It can lead to overeating and unhealthy food choice. Question number 30. What is junk food? Food that is high in calorie from sugar or fat but low in nutritional values. Question number 39. Give two example of junk food. Chips, candy, soda, burger are the example of junk food. Why should we limit junk food? Because it can lead to weight gain, lack of energy, and health problem. Question number 41. What are healthy snacks? Snacks that provide nutrients like fruits, nuts, or yogurt. Question number 42. What does it mean to eat a rainbow? To eat a variety of fruits and vegetable of different color to get a wide range of nutrients. Question number 43. Why is breakfast is important? It breaks the overnight fast and provides energy to start the day. What is dehydration? A condition that occurs when you do not have enough water in your body is called dehydration. What is dehydration? A condition that occurs when you do not have enough water in your body. Question number 25. How much water should you drink a day? About 6 to 8 glass of water, but it depends on your activity level and the weather. Question number 46. What are the benefits of drinking enough water? It keeps you hydrated, help digestion, and keep your skin healthy. Question number 47. What are food labels? Information on food package that tell us about the ingredient and nutritional value. It's called food labels. Question number 47. What are food labels? Information on food packet that tells us about the ingredient and nutrition value is called food label. Question number 48. Why is it important to read food labels? To make an informed choice about the food we eat and understand its nutritional content. Now question number 49. What does organic food means? Food grown without the use of artificial chemical like pesticide. Question number 49. What does organic food means? Food grown without the use of artificial chemical like pesticide. Question number 50. What is the importance of regular meal time? It helps regulate our body, digestive system and metabolism. Now let's move to section 3, the digestive system and health. 25 question. What is digestion? The process of breaking down food into simpler substance that the body can use is called digestion. Question number 52. Where digestion begin? In the mouth. Question number 53. What is the role of teeth in digestion? They cut, tear, and grind the food into smaller pieces. Question number 54. What is saliva and what is its role? Saliva is digestive juice in the mouth that help to soften food and contain an enzyme that weaken digestive starch. Question number 55. What is the food pipe called? Food pipe is called esophagus. Question number 56. What is the role of our stomach? It churns the food and mixes it with digestive juice to break it down further. Now, question number 57. Where does most digestion and digestion of food occur? In the small intestine. Question number 58. What are the finger-like projection in a small intestine? It's called villi. What is the function of villi? They increase the surface area for the absorption of digested food. Question number 60. What is the role of the large intestine? To absorb water and salt from the undigested food. Question number 61. What is the constipation? A condition where it is difficult to pass stool, often due to the lack of fiber or water in the diet. Question number 62. How can you prevent constipation? By eating plenty of fibers and drinking enough water. Question number 63. What is the obesity? A condition of having too much body fat which can be harmful to health. Now question number 64. What can cause obesity? Eating too much, especially high calorie junk food, and not getting enough physical activity. Question number 65. What is malnutrition? A condition that results from eating a diet in which one or more nutrients are either not enough or too much. Question number 6. What is the deficiency disease? A disease caused by the lack of specific nutrient in the diet over a period of time. Question number 6. Name the disease caused by lack of vitamin C. Scurvy, which causes bleeding gums. Question number 68. Name the disease caused by lack of vitamin D. Rickets, which cause soft and weak bones. Name the disease caused by lack of iron. Anemia, which cause weakness and tiredness. Question number 13. Name the disease caused by lack of iodine. Goiter, which cause swelling of the thyroid gland and neck. Question number 71. What is food preservation? The process of treating and handling food to stop or slow down spoilage. Question number 72. Name two methods of food preservation. Refrigeration, drying, canning, pickling. Question number 73. Why is food preserved? To make it last longer and to prevent the growth of bacteria. Question number 74. What are food what are food allergy? When the body immune system react badly to a certain food. Question number 75. Give an example of common food allergen. Peanuts, milk, eggs. Question number 74. Healthy habits and choice of 25 questions. Why is washing hand before eating important? To remove germs and prevent disease. Question number 77. Why should we wash fruit and vegetable before eating them? To remove dirt, pesticide and germs. Question number 71. 8. What is the importance of cooking foods properly? To kill harmful bacteria and make the food safe to eat. Question number 79. Why should we avoid eating food from roadside vendors that is left uncovered? Because it can be contaminated by dust, flies and bacteria. Question number 80. What is the benefit of eating fresh food? It has more nutrient and is less likely to be spoiled. Question number 81. Why is physical activity important along with the healthy diet? It helps to maintain a healthy weight, strengthen bones and muscles, and keep the heart healthy. Question number 82. How does sleep affect our eating habit? Lack of sleep can make us feel hunger and lead to poor food choice. What is a food group? A collection of food that share similar nutritional properties is called food group. Name the main food group: grain, fruit, vegetable, protein foods, and dairy. Question number 85. What does it mean to be a vegetarian? A person who does not eat meat or fish. Question number 86. What does it mean to be a vegan? A person who does not eat any animal product, including milk, egg, and honey. Why is sugar bad for health in large amount? It can lead to weight gain, tooth decay, and disease like diabetes. Question number 88. Why is too much salt bad for health? It can increase blood pressure. Question number 89. What are the processed foods? Food that have been altered from their natural state. often with added salt, sugar, or fat. Question number 90. Why should we limit processed food? They are often low in nutrient and high in unhealthy ingredients. Question number 19. What is the benefit for eating local and seasonal food? They are often fresher, more nutritious, and better for environment. Question number 92. What is the food sustainability? Choosing food that are healthy for our bodies and environment. It's called food sustainability. Question number 19. How can we avoid food waste? By planting trees, storing food properly, and eating leftover. Question number 90. What is the role of family meals in the mindful eating? They encourage eating together without distraction, promoting healthier eating habits. Question number 90. How can you make healthy choice in the school canteen? By choosing fruit salad or sandwiches instead of chips and candy. Question number 9. What is the harm of skipping meal? It can lead to overeating later, low energy, and poor concentration. Question number 9 is why is it important to chew your food well? It is the first step of digestion and help the body to absorb nutrients better. Question number 98. What is the connection between mood and food? Some food can affect our mood. For example, healthy food can make us feel more energetic and positive. Question number 99. What is the most important message about mindful eating? To pay attention to what and how you eat and to respect our body needs. Question number 100. How can mindful eating lead to a healthy body? By helping us make better food choice, eat the right amount of and develop a positive relation with food which support over all health and well-being. तो गाइस मैरी क्रिसमस अगेन. तो हमने इसमें 100 क्वेश्चन क्लास 6 का चैप्टर माइंडफुल ईटिंग एंड हाउ टू बी अ हेल्दी बॉडी डिस्कस कर लिया. अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छी लगी तो प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
कौन किसको जूते मार रहा है? तू क्यों बन के आ गया? ये तू क्यों बन गई पागल सा? मैंने कब कहा?
कोई बात नहीं, सही है, सही बनना.